you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. It's going to be a hair tutorial. It's going to be a video on how I do my puff using only 4 products. So yes, let's get into the video. So first of all, I'm just going to take my headband off because this is just basically how my hair looks. It's like 4C, 3C hair. It's like a combination. All right, so we're gonna start with product number 1. Product number 1 is water. Yes, water is like my best friend. And the second product that we are going to use is just going to be a brush. Kind of like the brush that I recommend is for it to be kind of hard. I'm just gonna brush up my hair. But I am going to leave my baby hairs out. My baby hairs, they gotta be out. Alrighty, so next we are going to be using Murray's Edge Wax. Now usually this isn't the edge control that I use or that I prefer, but I just got to town and it's late, and the only thing that was open was Walmart, and this is probably the best edge control that you would find in Walmart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a generous amount. I'm just going to put them on my edges. So we are on product 3 out of 4. So we only have one more product that I am going to use. And that 4th product is just a headband. I just got these from Dollar Tree. We're just going to take our handy dandy headband. Some people say 2. I just need 1. Because I don't know, my hair is big, but it's not super big. I double mine up. It doesn't hurt me to double up, so I just double up with my headband. And then I scratch it to where I like it. So about right there. All right, now I'm just going to take my brush and I'm going to brush my edges. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to twirl my baby hairs. So about this much of hair is how much I take on average. And then I take some of my edge control and then I just take a brush. This is just a regular brush that has the curl that I want. And I just curl it like this. That's how I like it. Sometimes they're a little more in depth, but like I said, it was last minute and I really didn't get the edge control that I like to use. I love it. Alright, so now I'm just going to take a little more edge control and just wipe it across my edges because now my hair has dried a little bit, so now it's a little more slicker. Alright, so now we're just going to take my brush and we're just gonna make some tiny baby hairs. Not too much, just enough to make me look adorable. Just enough. I know, that's okay, I'll redo it. That's really good enough for me. I'm not really particular. I'm not so dramatic with edges. Edges are important, but I'm just not really big on hair. That's why my hair be so bland and plain. Alright, you guys, so that's really it. That's really all that I do to my hair when I wear my puff. So let's do a price breakdown. On average, you're gonna get this water for free. Seriously. The water bottle is $1 from Dollar Tree. And the headbands, I actually got these from Dollar Tree for $1. They are very, very, very stretchy because I do wrap my headbands around like this when I do my bun. So $1. I got this brush for $1 from at Dollar Tree, so this is also $1. So, and I went to Walmart and I got the Murray's Edge Control. This was $5 on average. It was $4.84 or something like that. But yeah, so $4. Alright you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my tutorial. Please feel free to comment any questions or considerations. Please like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.